Sorry. I'm just playing around. Alright, let's video this real quick. Alright guys, welcome back to All American Motors. Today, I am picking up the Mazda B2500 that I bought. This is a pickup truck I bought for $600. Check it out. It's gonna need some engine work slightly. This is it. We've got one dent here. Not a problem. We may be able to pull that out, you know. The engine is open. We're gonna go over this real quick. We'll have videos about it later. We're trying to get this thing loaded up and get it home. The valve cover's off. We've got the engine slightly opened up. I'm hoping I can change the hydraulic lifters. I'll take you a walk around the truck real quick, grab the tires. Alright, show you inside, we've got all the parts. Never mind, you video Welcome to All American Motors. Buckle up for your safety. We're going on a adventure. We have a 20-foot trailer on the back of the truck. I'm going to meet a buddy. We've got a project for y'all. Stay tuned. Watch the end of the video while I back up a trailer. I'll get back to y'all. Driving the old 92 F-150 today, but my buddy's got a 3/4 ton truck, so we'll use that to haul our project. Should I go ahead and tell them what we're getting?
No.
Oh, all right. You'll be surprised when we get there. Just wait. Oh, wow. All right.
Roll back a little. Right there. We got it. There you go.
Good try. All right.
Oh yeah, it's working.
At least this concrete's sort of clean. Can't get up. I'm falling and I can't get up.
Nice pad.
Covered in oil now.
What were you doing underneath there?
Looking for a coolant leak. Look at me. Alright,
Want to start it?
unsinking. Alright, go.
Oh, it's quiet. It sounds pretty good.
See if it's leaking out. Like, see if you see any pouring out down underneath.
I don't actually.
I'm gonna bet.
That is just the
I'm
pump?
gonna bet that it's just the water pump.
Alright, so do you want this cooling in?
Yeah, yes. Fill up your coolant. Fill up your coolant, watch your gauge. Does your gauge work?
Yeah, it should.
Okay.
I hope so.
Alright, we have a water pump bad on the Chevy.
You gonna turn it off?
You top it off?
It's not top, it's all I have.
I've got some more.
Alright, buckle up, kids. Stay below
What?
the temperature here. That temperature, I don't
What
think
temperature
works.
is that? Is that transmission
This is
temperature?
oil. This is
This is
Of course.
oil?
this is oil.
No, I think this is coolant.
You think that's coolant?
That'd help.
Yeah, that would help a little.
He just left the parking brake on. Alright.
Okay. Alright, let's start winching it.
1 second. Figure out. What am I trying to figure out?
We loaded up the hood in the back of the Chevy. Oh,
Dude,
nice.
it's a 5-speed.
Does it come with everything inside it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Are you sure? That brand new air hose and the whole bit?
Why does he have
Nice.
W20 oil?
I don't know.
It's already almost 4:30, so we got a half-hour drive back.
It's low already. Peter wants me to lower it. Dude,
No.
This is so funny.
Peter wants you to lower it.
I kind of want to too.
That's kind of tempting, actually. I think that would look good.
He pulled the head bolts.
That's nice.
I'm hoping I can just put the head bolts back on without taking the head off.
Dude,
I'm
you're right.
stealing
This looks
this.
just like a Ford.
I'm stealing this.
It is a Ford,
We
buddy,
need some help
basically.
from somebody. All right.
Thank you, Ford.
Wait a second. Here you.
Alright, Mark, go in and make sure. Is this a good spot?
Make sure it's in neutral. Ugh. Got the little baby clutch. Now it is. It was in first.
Alright, we're just gonna rinse
I
all
got
out.
it in neutral.
Make sure, straighten out the tires. Straighten out the wheels.
That's pretty straight, right?
No, turn the wheel the other direction.
That way?
No, the other direction.
It's locked. Do you have the key?
Which way?
The other way? Yeah, straight. That's good.
Alright. Let's get this thing loaded up.
Too bad we don't have our electric winch today. That'd be a lot faster. You locked the steering wheel again. Okay.
Mason, do you want to see if we can push it? You want to come see if we can push it? We're going to have to keep going. No, Mark, come home.
We're just ratcheting it up. Pull this. We got a little bit of a mess.
Pull this right here.
Hang on. Okay, so guys, we put another strap on it to hold it while we're fixing our winch. Yeah.
How are we going to get it up here?
There you
Do you
go.
want to just try to push it? Let's Alright, now pull this wire. Grab that pulley.
So what happened to it?
It got stuck. It went off the pulley and got stuck in between the pulley and the metal.
We're having fun today, guys. No. Feed the wire through first.
Do you find a little piece of metal or something?
Okay.
It's not like anyone watched our videos anyway, so. But it is kind of cool. Us buying trucks.
You want that stretched out, honestly. Okay, and I will go to kick this block. You're just using it still once it's broken?
That's working. We're about to be able to roll it, I think.
Yeah.
Close.
And then we were going to want to roll it so...
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, it's coming.
Try to roll forward.
Yeah, it's good. For
Alright.
I do have to park.
That's just in case, sir. Yep, I just did that. It's not working. That's a nice sound.
Who wants to try to push it?
Mason does.
No. Get over here. Let's.
We're winching it again. Oh, the winch is working again? How is the winch working again?
I don't know. Put a block behind it.
Well, I think I know how, because we loosened up the truck. Go, go, go.
Alright, tighten up that other strap if you can.
Alright, we got the strap hooked up so we can go, 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 crank. Crank, crank, crank. Voice is squeaking.
I wouldn't do too much of that.
Is your truck moving forward? Okay, good. I was hoping not.
Alright, let's loosen this.
Okay.
Well, might be able to
We're trying to use 2 straps now, guys.
get the tension on
So,
this light.
yeah. So I don't think we can
Alright, come
do
here.
it very easy, but we'll
One moment. Look how far it's going.
okay.
Actually, I think it's.
Okay, here it comes. It's rolling.
Yes.
Okay, wait. No. Let's push it. Yeah, we can easily push it. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push it. Oh.
Mark, move this block.
Move that block. Is that it?
Production.
How close are we? Yeah, now we're gonna have to winch it again.
Yep.
You sure?
Yes.
Was that all the way we could go?
Yes.
Oh,
It's
I'd
all
like
the way. It's all the way to the ramps. We're gonna have to winch over the ramps.
Yeah.
I'd like to try pushing it one more time.
I think we can.
We'll try.
Mark, move that block. Mark, move the block.
You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Alright.
We can use the suction.
It's not an actual problem.
Okay, you ready?
It was already dented here.
I think I did that. That's where my hand was, dude.
Really?
I don't care.
I know I
Yeah.
did this. We're breaking his truck. And
Alright,
we're breaking it in.
Dude, this Ranger's as big as this trailer.
Mark, you get up and be ready to push the brake.
Ready?
Mark isn't.
Push the brake.
Okay.
Park your brake. Depress.
All right.
We're loading. Let it roll. We're good. And we stop.
I think a little more.
Really?
Yes.
Gotta pull the block. Go! You need a little. Right there?
You hit the brake?
No, I did that.
Okay.
Right
How
here.
centered is this thing?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
I think we should push
Let's
this
strap
just
it.
to get it over a little
Let's
bit.
strap it over.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna have to move it a little more. It's hanging off the trailer. A very little bit, but it is.
Tie it down.
Alright. We're gonna tie it down and get out of here.
That's good.
That's down enough.
All right, now let's.
Did you say just like 4 straps?
Alright,
God.
so
Looks like a baby twat.
we got it into the shop mostly. Wait. We had to, oh good. Good, we got it over here.
Alright.
Now we'll push and steer. Wait a second. Wait.
Alright, we've got to turn some lights. We've got the truck in the shop. The shop is still a little bit messy.
Cause Josiah,
Got some cleaning up to do.
Josiah doesn't clean up.
It was raining today. The truck is in the shop. We can now
It's a
assess all the
Mazda.
damage.
there's dent right here,
And
scrapes
get
right
mechanic
here,
John will be coming over later today.
and
to
we'll do a
assess
video with him.
What parts we need to buy. They supposedly have about $500 in parts that the truck came with, which is a very good plus for me.
Bushwhacker, I don't know. What
My
that
buddy didn't get it put back. My buddy had started the project, taken apart the engine. They'd bought some parts for it. Now I've got the truck. I bought it from him. I'm planning to fix up the truck here shortly. Get the right parts, put it back on the road. I might have some other ideas with the truck. I don't know if we should color match the bumpers.
Yeah,
very low.
comment below if you let us know. Hey, when we were pushing this is like a Ranger basically. So we were pushing it and it dented in, so we'll have to pull that.
Brand new tires, you know, it's in the shop. Yeah, we can start to do some work on it. Let's pop the hood. Hood is a little bit scratched from being off the truck for quite some time. Let's see how that is.
All right, and then the hood opens like that, like a sports car, you know?
Like a sport?
Like, yeah, sports cars open like that. Work trucks open like this. So just so y'all know, this is a sports
All right,
car
it's
basically.
all taken apart. We will get John in here to assess the damage.
Oh, you're pushing it. Let me put on the parking brake. Safety first. Good thing this park brake works. That's nice. We could just put it in gear, but